In this video, we are going to see how we can verify our age in Roblox so that we can use more functions according to our specific age group. So if you want to age verify your Roblox account, you just head over to your favorite browser and head over to roblox.com. And on the right hand side, you can see this gear icon. You click on that, click on settings. And once you're in here, the account info option is where you will set your age. So check your age to get more features. We can continue with camera or we can upload our ID. Camera is more convenient if you have that connected or you have that available in your laptop. So we click on continue again, and it will ask us to move it towards left. We will move it towards left. Now move on the other side, and now it will estimate the age. As it says, we have estimated your age is 21 or older. Click OK. And as you can see, age group is now checked. So this is how you can verify your age by using the video or camera verification. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.